Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness. And you are destined for greatness too. I don't want you to forget that. Ladies and gentlemen, the support that you guys have been showing me is insane right now. One of my videos is up to 3K right now. I got another one that's almost at 1K. So please keep liking, commenting, and subscribing, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you guys my 3 favorite free indicators on TradingView. Well, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to teach you guys my 3 favorite free TradingView indicators. We're going to hop on there. We're going to do what we do. Y'all going to make that money. Just thank y'all, man. I really appreciate the support. Cop some merch, man. I'm going to put it right here. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Follow me on everywhere. Please support the kid. You are destined for greatness. But we're going to hop over there in 3, 2, 1. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, so we're here. Let me just go that back a little bit. Bam! So ladies and gentlemen, we are here. I'm on the desktop here, and like I said, I'm going to be teaching you my top 3 favorite indicators, or just my TradingView setup. Pretty much the same thing, but of course the website that you're going to be using is TradingView. This is what it looks like. Just look for this blue cloud with price action in between, and this is TradingView. On a free account, you can use up to 3 free indicators. If you pay for a pro account or upgrade your account, then you can use more than 3 indicators. But on a free account, you can use 3 indicators that help you trade. And the first indicator that I use is an EMA. I actually use 2 EMAs, so you can use 2 or 3 of the same indicators, but it counts. So if I have 2 EMAs, I'm not going to have one more. So what I use, ladies and gentlemen, is the EMA. That stands for exponential movement average. And essentially what it is you give this exponential moving average a number, and that is the exponential price of the last amount of candles based upon the number you gave it. So if this blue line here, this red line right here, length is 50. So length means this is the 50. So this line represents the last 50 candles. This blue line represents the last 8 candles. So this red line is essentially the last 50 candles. If price is above it, you want to trade buy. If price is below, you want to sell. This red line, this blue line is the same way. It's 8, it's more tighter. 8 candles is a lot less. So if price is above it, you know that you're still bullish, but whenever price dips below, it may be retracing. So you kind of just use this as a guideline. Like this would be a pretty good entry right here. It's reacting to this 8 EMA. So that is the first indicator. I use 2 of those. I use the 8 and the 50, and if the 8 crosses the 50, that's a higher confirmation. Another one that you can use, ladies and gentlemen, is the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and pretty much this tells you if the market is oversold or overbought. So it may be a little bit hard to see here. Let me just make the color. But pretty much if you look in the market here, this told you that the market was oversold. So you're going for this downtrend, and you want to know if you want to continue to go down or not. No, this is telling you that the market is oversold. When you look here, when it drops below the 30, price is oversold. Price is overbought when it is above the 70. So if you look up here, we're in an overbought market right now, and we're just kind of dipping in, touching back up. So you want to pay attention that the market right now is overbought or oversold. That is the purpose of an RSI. I like that indicator. You can trade divergence. I'll make a video on that, but you can do a lot with those RSIs. And another indicator that I use, let's see, I just use the RSI and the EMAs, but you can use simple moving averages, same exact thing. Ladies and gentlemen, don't overcomplicate it. I like these 3 right here. This is my setup. These are the 3 free trading view indicators that I use. I use 2 EMAs and wait for the cross. So wait for your cross, and it would be higher confirmation. So cross up or cross down, and you pair it with your RSI, and you take all through those indicators, and you make your judgment in the market. And that's how I trade, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just trying to get these quick videos out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if there's something you don't understand, or if it's something that you want to know. Please comment down below. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate the support so much. I'm just trying to get videos out. Comment below what videos you want to see. Let's finish strong these next 6 months. And just in case you ain't know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Thank you for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.